Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This just arrived, the Casio AE-1100. Now let's do the unboxing. I bought this from a local Casio dealer and it came in this blue paper box. The seller was kind enough to add bubble wrap to protect the case and crystal. Nice. Here's the tag mentioning its features: 10-year battery, 100 meters water resistance, world time, and LED backlight. And here's the watch. Let me remove the screen cover. For comparison, here's my AE-1000, which was released before the AE-1100. Both have similar dimensions, weight, case shape, and strap design. The main difference is the LCD layout. On the AE-1100, the display is split, with the top part for the world map and the bottom part for the time display, while at the center we have this LCA, liquid crystal analog. In my opinion, this makes the round layout look more balanced. Now let's go through the modes: timekeeping, world time, alarm, timer, stopwatch, and then back to timekeeping. And here's the backlight on the lower left of the display, similar to the AE-1000. Once again, here's a quick look at the watch case and recent band. Okay, that's all for the unboxing. I will post a detailed review and also tutorials for this watch soon on this channel. So don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.